So that's it for me at the hostel Tuba, which I actually really enjoyed. I thought it was a good place. I liked it, even though there's an old guy that kind of lives there, works there. Well, yeah, he doesn't speak a lick of English, but we had some good laughs. Me and him. I stubbed my toe one night and it was very funny. So that was $17 a night. And now I'm off to a alleged 5-star hotel across town, which I for some reason decided I'm going to walk to. I am sunburnt, let's be honest. So I'm going to go to this 5-star hotel and see what that's all about. It's only $27. So for $10 more, could I have been stopping at a 5-star hotel this whole time? We'll find out. Okay. Across Pristina we go. Right, I've been walking for about an hour, and I can tell I'm getting quite far because I'm now in a place that is definitely the outskirts of town, and I'm almost in the countryside. I never had a coffee this morning, which was a big mistake, and the coffee shop I never actually took any shots of outside of it. It was called Cafe Dua, I believe, D-U-A. I tell you, it was fantastic. The coffee in Kosovo is so good. Every cup of coffee I've had since I've been here has been absolutely fantastic. Oh no. So as I am incredibly dehydrated and I've sweat through almost completely through my clothing, though I'm sunburned, so I'm trying to keep covered up a little bit, it's time for Pop in a Bar, Kosovo edition, with a very melted Dido trio and a bottle of Kokta. Nothing like some Kokta on a hot day, let me tell you. You'd be crazy to turn it down. Oh, it smells like a medicinal Coca-Cola that you'd get in like an old-timey store, you know? Wow. It's real fizzy. It's good. You know when you get like freezy pops? Those, you know, ice lollies, whatever you call them where you're from, tip tops, whatever you call them, like frozen long sticks of ice flavoured. Tastes like the Coca-Cola versions of those. With added herbs. That's what it tastes like. Yeah, Kokta. Ah. Gosh, that's good. Next we have this Dido trio. I'm not in the mood for chocolate right now. Oh, it's white chocolate. The word that got me to buy this was the one I understood on the packaging, which said bitter, which I'm assuming means like dark chocolate. Let's try it. It's like a multi-layered Kit Kat. It's like a confused Kit Kat. Higher chocolate to biscuit ratio than a Kit Kat though. Yeah. Okay. I like it. The Dido trio gets about a 6. But the Kokta is really nice. Gets an 8. I guess I should carry on walking. I always do this. I'm terrible at judging distances. I didn't realise as well I was going to be walking all the way up into the Kosovo hills, uphill the entire way. And I'm always there thinking, what if I miss out on part of the Kosovo experience? You know? Oh well. As we make our way up. I'm fully in the countryside now. But I will say, Kosovo is a really beautiful country. All those hills and stuff, I'm not sure you can see them, but wow. Well, I've been walking for about 2 hours almost. Carrying on uphill. Here we go. This place has got a gym. It's got swimming baths. I bought shorts just for the occasion from a market yesterday. It's got everything. I've never stopped at a 5-star hotel before, so let's see what that's all about. Onward. It's interesting, there's so many houses being built There's massive houses up here, like gated houses and stuff. There we go. That's where I've come from. All the way down there. Then you've got ruins, like relics. Absolutely demolished houses as well. Where the hell's this hotel? I don't know if you can see the snow-capped mountains in the distance. Probably not. But overlooking the whole town, snow-capped mountains, and it's very beautiful. Well, here it is, the Hotel Prince Albert. Let's go check in. I hope.
Have a reservation?
Yes.
For one person, huh?
Yeah, one person.
Okay.
I can wait with him.
Yeah, okay.
Hello. Come on. You're gorgeous. Come on. Come on.
Prince's name.
Prince.
Yeah.
Ah, I see, yes. Prince. Oh. Ah.
Is ready.
Come on then, Prince. So tiny.
It's that.
Cool.
Yeah, spots under here. Pool, jacuzzi, and sauna.
Is there a gym?
Gym not working.
Okay.
It's a renovation.
Okay, no problem.
It's your card.
Ah, thank you so much.
101, third floor.
Third floor.
Third.
Gotcha.
101.
101 on the third floor. Interesting. Gym's not working. That's disappointing. But I did walk all the way here, so I did some exercise. The sauna, jacuzzi. Why the hell not? Am I the only one in this hotel? Is this me? 102? 101. I feel like I broke in. Let's see what 5-star luxury is like in Kosovo. First thing is there's no kettle, so there's some other rooms open, so I'm going to see if I can steal one. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, 102. Stealing a kettle? Oh, the perfect crime. Okay, got a kettle. But let's have a quick look at this Kosovo 5-star residence. I mean, there's room service, I think. It seems like the national dish in Kosovo is hamburgers. I know it's not, but it feels like it is. We've got hamburgers, chicken salad. What else we got? Steak, pesto, cremandel. I don't know what that is. What's the bed like? Okay. Oh, ooh. Okay. The bed's nice. Big fan of the bed. Very good. Am I filming? Yes. Very nice. 3 seats for all my guests I'll be having. There is a security box thing in there. In here, with no doorknobs, we have a fridge, which is on, I feel like. I see your first problem. Okay. It's a cold fridge. Perfectly cold fridge. We have a cold fridge. We'll see what it's like. And later, once I get a bit cleaned up, we'll go explore the sauna and the jacuzzi. I've never been in a jacuzzi. How does that work? We'll find out together. And of course some beautiful art. I'm perfectly happy with this. It's out of the way, and I'm gonna have to walk back into town, into like the suburbs, to go pick a few things up. I want a glass of wine, and I'm gonna need a few things to eat. But this is me for the next 2 nights. I'm sure we can have an adventure and explore the rest of this hotel. And maybe see if we can get that dog in this room for cuddles. I would be very into that. I'm off to the jacuzzi. Let's do it. First time in the jacuzzi. It's gonna be great. Is this relaxing? Who can say? I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little bit like I'm being abused right now. Is it meant to be like a massage? I'm starting to think I'm the only person in this hotel, which is ace, honestly. Okay, sauna. Jesus. Do you sauna then jacuzzi, or do you jacuzzi then sauna? Which way? I guess I'd only sweat. I don't know how it works. Right, sauna is done. It's the hottest sauna I've ever been in my entire life. It's good though, because I've done so much walking. Maybe it's, you know, good for me. The reason I use the sauna is, well, I've just started. I actually started a few weeks ago at my gym. And I use it because it's meant to be really good for your mental health. It's meant to burn that negativity out of your brain, is the way it was described to me. So I'm always up for giving anything a chance that says it can do that. So yeah, although right now I can see through time, I'm so dehydrated, so I should shower and drink some water. Now, all that's left to do to really settle in the 5-star experience is to not only for the first time in my entire life wear a hotel robe, which feels very strange. I'm gonna have some wine. I don't have a bottle opener, but I have a trick. Let's see if it works on this particular bottle of wine. Here it goes. I don't want to make too much smoke. Well, there's more than one way to do this. On to method number 2. I will not be defeated by this wine. Now, I haven't got any sharp objects with me because I've been on a plane, but I do have a belt. And if it won't come out, it can go in. So I'm going to try and push it in with my belt. Okay, it's part of the problem. I need you to go all the way in now, please. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Okay, that bit tastes burnt because the bottle tastes like ash. Hold on, hold on, hold on. The pen might be mightier than a sword, but I wish I had a sword, then I could do the whole dunk thing, and that would be great. But you tell I worked in bars for 10 years. Who's the winner now? Wine! Worth it! I don't even normally drink white wine. Or wine at all. I just felt like it was the fancy thing to do in a fancy hotel. Cheers! To Kosovo! I don't have a glass.